Time to sandwich some more of this second skin in between. We don't have to go too hog wild on this just yet. Right now I'm sealing the door, making it a little bit more rigid where the speaker's moving. And if you have any rattling problems, we can add more later. But getting you on the road and getting it sounding great first is our main thing. So we're all patched up right here. Make this hole a little bit better once the ring is on. Make sure it's clocked right so it looks good even though it's behind the door panel. Someone will say something. The V2 wasn't straight.
You know that'll be the first thing said.
Almost like it was planned out, huh?
You know?